Another day, another set of mods. These are the Rough Country wheel well liners. Try to hide this white frame, make it black. Step one, make sure you've got hardware. If it was delivered like mine where they're just clipped together, and I'll link on the description below where I picked them up off Amazon. But yeah, these are from Rough Country. Make sure it's got the hardware. Tools you need for the job: a Phillips screwdriver, ideally a stubby, something to clean your wheel wells with, something to cut the zip ties loose. Step one, clean the wheel wells. There you go. I just wiped them down with some Simple Green and a rag. Now this is a brand new truck. I'm trying to keep it clean. So let's get the clips ready. So you've got 3 holes. You want the outside holes, you want the clip to face out. You just clip it into place. That's it for prep. This is what's going to retain the bolt holes. That middle one is not used. And now we slide the liner in place here. Small gap, big gap. If you look at bolt hole alignment, slightly different. Big gap, driver's side. Small gap, passenger side. It's roughly in there. What I did is I put it on a 45-degree angle and then tucked it up into place. If it fights you, you're going wrong. Again, you want the big gap on the driver's side. So now you just tuck it into place, put your screws in. It's going to come with screws. You want to hand tighten those in. Give yourself some room. But the truss screws go here. On the front here, you've got a washer that goes on the back side. There's 2, one down there and one up here. Washer, push pin clip through. Should look like that when you're done. So what you do is you reach up underneath, hold the washer in place, and just push the push pin through. Secure these first, then go to the back, then tighten down your truss screws. Okay, we're at the back. One there, one down there. This should sit in here nice and loose. Same story. Washer on the back, push pin through. Once these are done, make sure you're in here nice and tight. You should be. It should fit. If you're forcing it, you've got the wrong side. Tighten down these truss screws. Let's finish this up. Tighten them down. You just need them tight. You don't need to go ham on this. Half the hardware down, half to go. Let's go to the other side. Before, this truck's got 2,200 miles on it. I've already washed it twice, but here we are. So clean this out quick, and then we'll slide the other liner in. Now, again, this is the narrower gap one. This is on the passenger side. Much cleaner. This process is pretty simple. I'll show you here. In my case, because it's Texas and it's winter, wipe the dead grass off so it doesn't get trapped in. Pull the stickers off because I'll see those when we're underneath the truck. What I'm doing is tucking this in like so, and then roll it into place. I need 2 hands for this, but you get the idea. Or rolled into place, and just lift it in. Make sure you tuck behind there. Make sure you tuck behind here. Now I forgot to put the clip in on both sides. You can get in here with this up here because it's not secure yet. Just got to reach behind and shove it up. So don't do like I do and forget to do this step. But if you do, you don't have to pull the liner back out with scratching your paint. You just get her in there like that. And just pop it in, and you're done. There you have it. All set, paint's protected. Hopefully you found this informative. Please click like and subscribe below as I keep modding this truck. These are the easy things, but if you're gotta start somewhere. Thanks for watching.